1 week after starting 100K to 200K challenge, and let's just go and see what happened. So these are the two strategies that we actually connected last week, Monday. Our challenge is to actually reach 200K in profit, right? So our strategy lost. So let's just see this in Datte by 3 minutes, which we connected last week. If you didn't see our last video, please go and watch on our YouTube. So we Datte by 3 minutes we connected last week, and as you can see that we lost quite a lot of trades. And we didn't lose a lot of trades, this many trades because our strategy doesn't work. We lost because the market is like this. Market is not trending enough, market is not performing well enough for the strategy to actually capture good moves like this. And that is why we ended up losing a lot of trades rather than winning those. So we actually lost 21 trades in a row back to back. Yeah, we made some profits, but that was not enough to recover anything. But later we started recovering and we recovered everything in the next 10 trades after 20. So we recovered everything and then we lost again few trades, as you can see here. After recovering this 5,000 where we had recovered everything, we were in profit here. Okay, somewhere here. And then again we lost some trade. After 5,000, we lost again 2,000, 1,000, 1,000, 500, 600, and then again we are making money. So the good thing about the strategy is that it loses less. As you can see, sometimes it's losing $200, sometimes 600, and sometimes when the market is too bad, it's actually losing $1,500. But that is the max that it will lose and not more. Oh, sometimes it has even lost $2,400, but that is safe. We made it. We are making $8,400 in this trade, and we are up $7,000. Right. So our strategy is actually working. And this is not the best strategy that I have connected here. Now let's just move to 5 minutes time frame and you can see here the data. We actually lost 26 trades in a row before going in any profit. You can see we have lost 26 trades and then only 7% profitable and still we are in $17,000 profit. Why is that? Why did we ended up making money even after losing so many trades and just with 7% profitability, right? So let's just go and see the trades that we lost. $2,600, which is how many pips? Yeah, 5 pips. Most trades we are losing 5 pips. Okay. Yeah, we are losing only 5 pips because we have put this stop loss at 5 pips. Look at here. And that is why we are only losing 5 pips every trade. And with commission added, we are losing 150 more, which is making it 2,650. All it took was one good trade, which is this one, $50,000, and everything was recovered. As you can see here, everything got recovered here. And right now it's in profit, $15,000. This is floating profit. We don't know how much it is going to book, but with looking the data, I can tell that it will at least book $3,000 to $4,000 from here. But let's just leave it at that and let the strategy and bot handle everything. See, the one thing that I want to share with you is that if you don't know how much your strategy is going to lose in the next 50 trades, then please stop trading. Don't trade. Don't risk your money. You're just gambling. You're not trading. So you must know the risks, how much you're going to lose, and how many trades it's going to take to recover everything back. And all of these things I know. I know that even if I lose 50 trades, 100 trades in a row, all I need is two, three, or five good trades to make everything back. Right. So when you watch this data, we are losing 0.16% on average. And we made 3% in one single trade. And I know that this can go beyond this. So yeah, you must understand how trading works. And you're not going to understand by switching or jumping from one strategy to another strategy. The problem in trading is that even if we stick it to one strategy, it doesn't guarantee a profit. So to able to have the confidence, you need two or three things. One, automation. Two, probability. Right. And three, the positive expectancy. And you need to know all of this. And once you know all of this of your strategy, you will be a confident trader, a trader who has confidence in risking anything that you want. And let me just say you one thing that I learned in trading is that made me actually a profitable trader. And I'm fucking confident I can fucking challenge anyone this market. That भाई तू आजा हो जाए तू आजा हम करते हैं मतलब मैं I can fucking challenge anyone that yeah I can challenge anyone right now. I'm that confident in my strategies or anything that I can make money. किसी को भी I can challenge anyone कि yeah my strategy will make money for them. And yeah, sometimes it cannot make money because the market didn't perform, and that is not my fault if market doesn't perform. And you must completely accept that. If you don't make money, it is not your fault or your strategy's fault. Stop blaming your strategy and start believing in your strategy. So the thing I was saying is that you must become a confident trader. A confident trader will make money even from one single pip. And a not confident trader will not even make, even if he's capturing 100 pips, 200 pips, 1000 pips, even if he captures that, he is not going to make. And the reason is that he won't be risking enough. He will never risk enough to actually make that money. Thing about trading is that you must understand this, the difference between a confident and non-confident trader. And any trader who actually wants to make money should have these two things, clarity and must have confidence. And you are going to have this clarity when you know what things work, what will work for you, and what actually works in this market. And you're never going to know what actually works. And that you will never know because you're never back testing it. And even if you backtest, the problem is that in trading, it is completely insane. You cannot even tell that if a backtested data is going to work in current market. So you need a strategy that constantly adapts to the market. And with market, it adapts like a strategy here. You can see that it is not constantly losing 50 pips that we have defined, right? Sometimes it's losing 50 pips, sometimes it's even losing less, sometimes it's making $800. So it is constantly adapting. And with take profits, we have completely removed that fixed take profits, right? Why did we remove that? The only reason is that when you have fixed take profits, let me just go and add a fixed take profit here. Okay. One is to two risk to reward ratio. And I'm going to show you everything here. You can see here that, yeah, $365, we have made $365. Yeah, we have lost a lot less, but still we have lost 24 trades in a row. But this is not what we want. And when we go and backtest it, let's just go and see what will this strategy do. So look at here. Yeah, this strategy has made money, which is good, $62,000. And this is so much less compared to our strategy where we didn't have any take profits. Look at here. We are not having any take profits. We are not restricting our trades. Look at here. Look at the fucking difference. Where is $60,000 and where is 400K? So one thing that you must, everyone in any strategy, just fucking remove your take profits. That is only going to kill your profits. Don't care how much profitable percentage your strategy is giving you. Please stop it. See, the thing is, I have spent 5 fucking years and lost over $50,000 in this market. And right now, I don't have anything left because anyone who comes into trading is going to rip off everything out of you. And that is what happened with me. And now I'm going to make everything back because I fucking have the data. I can fucking prove anyone. I don't fucking care. And this is what makes me keep going. This strategy, the edge that I have found, the clarity that I have found, I fucking know that yeah, I'm going to make money at the end. Now I know that. If you're doing everything right, and even if after that, if your strategy is not working, it is not you, it is not strategy, it is the market. Okay. Don't blame yourself. You can book a consultation call with me and I'm gonna find the flaws in your strategies and what you must do to make profit or what you're doing wrong. We are going to find out everything and we are going to automate everything if you tell. And if you want, I can also automate my two or three of these good strategies that I have. I also have better strategies that I can show you on Yeah, those are actually personal, and so I cannot show you here. But those strategy would have not taken this many trades and would have made more money than this. Pretty sure that if you had given me an account and if I had connected you to this strategy, you would be scolding me for this, losing 26 trades in a row, screaming at me that I have lost so many traders. Am I even a trader? Yes, I'm a fucking trader. And now that we have made $23,000, I'm pretty sure that we are going to book at least $10,000 out of this. So this is how my strategy works. And if you can see here, it works. So let's just connect if you actually want to learn trading or want me to actually trade for you, automate anything for you. So yeah, that is all. Thank you. And we will continue this journey. I will be updating each one video every week at least so that you know where we are. Thank you.